Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dahlia and today is going to be a video based on a lot of stuff that I bought at the body shop. In a mall nearby where I live, they were closing down. They said they were closing all their locations except for one, and then they said that they would also be selling their products online. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I bought 12 things. I went there twice. The second time I saw that they were having 50% off, so I had gone there with two of my friends and we bought a bunch of stuff. 3/4 of the store was already like emptied out because a lot of people were buying so much stuff. They had great deals and their stuff is really good. The first product that I'll talk about is the Ginger Scalp Care Shampoo. This is the product. There's 250 milliliters. It smells really good. It smells kind of like, yeah, it smells like ginger. It's a very like spicy scent, so if you don't like that, I wouldn't recommend it. However, it really does clean your hair. Like once I blow dry my hair, it feels really fresh and smooth. The next product I got was the Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty big toner. This also has 250 milliliters. This toner is really good. So it says it's with protective vitamin E and moisturizing Wheatgerm oil for all skin types. It says it takes off your makeup and the residue of your cleanser. What I do is I usually put like maybe 5 drops of this on my cotton swab or my cotton round, and I'll put it all over my face. It's really cool actually once you do it and then you look at it, you see like all makeup that was left behind. So sometimes you might use a makeup wipe and then you cleanse your face and you think that your skin is really clean, but in the end there's a lot that's left on your face. So I guess this really helps with breaking out and stuff. I really like it. I like the smell, and yeah, I mean, I have found that if I go too close to my eyes, it does burn. It's because your skin is super sensitive around here, so I wouldn't suggest that. But overall, I think it's a really good toner. The next product I got was the Shea Eau de Toilette. This is 30 milliliters. It's a really nice smell. Unfortunately, I'm terrible at describing smells, so I'm not going to. It smells really good. I don't know how to describe smells. It's fresh. And I really like the mist when it comes out. It's a very fine mist. The next product was the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask with purifying tea tree oil from foothills of Mount Kenya. It's funny, when I went to the store, they didn't have this on the shelf, and I had never bought it before. I just used a sample once, and I went to the lady who works there and I said, "Do you have this green mask? And it's like, it smells really good." And she goes, "Yeah, I think I know which one you're talking about." And she pulled out a case from the back, and all 3 of us who had gone there that day, we all bought one. It looks like this, so it's green, and I apply it with a mask brush, just kind of like a foundation brush, and then I wash it after. And it's kind of gets really hot on your face, and you kind of see that like all where you have blackheads or pimples or anything, it starts to come through, like these little dots come through the face mask. So I guess that's, let's just say it's working. And all this stuff kind of like comes out of your skin. But I don't know if it really works, but when I take it off, I feel like my skin is super smooth. It feels really, really clean. And then when I wake up the next morning, my skin is not oily whatsoever. Sometimes when I wake up, my skin is very oily. It says you can use it 1 to 2 times a week with tamanu oil, lemon tree, tea tree oil, and menthol. The menthol smell, if you don't like that, it's very strong. Like it goes right up your nostrils. It's super, super strong. I love it. I love the lip products too that have menthol in it, and it makes your lips tingly. So another mask that I got was the Soothing Rescue Cream Mask with aloe. Soothes discomfort and helps build skin's natural defenses to irritation. You could tell that like it really seeps through your skin, and in the morning like there's just like a thin layer of cream on your face. I really liked that I didn't even have to moisturize my skin after I used this mask. Mind you, I was home the whole day. If I went out, I might have put like a little bit of moisturizer just in case. The next mask I got is the exact same thing, except this one is the Vitamin E collection, just like the toner, so they're both vitamin E. This one, it's the same kind of concept. You wear it overnight, 1 to 2 times a week. Helps restore and protect skin's optimum moisture level. This one, however, the first time I used it, my skin was burning. I have really sensitive skin, so that's probably why, but after about 10-15 minutes it stopped burning, and I wanted to give it a chance. So when I woke up, like I didn't have red skin, there was no bumps or anything, so I didn't have a reaction to it. I like it just as much as the other one. The products that I bought were 3 brushes from the Body Shop, and I got an eyeshadow blender, a blending brush, and then I got a smudger, and then I got another blending brush, but it's more precise for in the crease. So I really like them. I just used them, and I didn't have any complaints. I think they're really smooth. I think they pick up the powder really nicely, and yeah, they're cruelty free, and I think that I paid half price for them because, like I said, the store was closing down. So I think it was like a really good deal. I think for 3 of them I paid I would say 27 or 27 plus tax or something, so that's pretty good. And I really like I think they're really pretty. They have kind of like a wooden pattern on them, and this one's super cool, like the way it is at the bottom. So I really like these brushes. I think they're super good. I have the N93E and the N92E and then the N61W. This is the only product that I bought that I actually haven't, oh no, that's a lie. I have 2 that I haven't used. I haven't used these 2. But I will say that this one is the Seaweed Oil-Control Gel Cream. I think I'm really gonna like this one. Plus, this one smells really nice too. Again, I'm not very good at describing smells, so I can't really describe it to you. But it smells very like fresh. It's nothing overpowering. And the Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo. This just pretty much smells like bananas. I haven't tried it. And then this one I use every day. It's the Aloe Soothing Day Cream. So it goes with this collection, like the first face mask I showed you. And this one is just a day cream, and it's for sensitive skin. So I love it. I put a little bit all over my face, and it smooths out really nice, and it leaves your skin with a glow. They say that it's formulated without fragrance, colors, preservatives, or alcohol. You get 50 milliliters in these little packages, and I really like them. So that's it for my Body Shop haul. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like, please hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Have a good day. Bye.